Yo, so I decided to give affiliate marketing a try, and these are my results in 1 month. And so I'm using Warrior Plus as well as Pinterest for free organic traffic. So stick around, I'm going to show you exactly the steps I took. This is all free organic traffic directly through Pinterest. So what you want to do is create a Pinterest account. Then what you're going to want to do is go to Warrior Plus and create an affiliate account. Up here and press on this, you're going to see offers. Here you can see the visitor value, so how much you get paid for someone just to visit the site. Average sale, so this is how much you get when you get credit for a sale. Once you have the one you want to choose, you click request and you can see this turns green like this, and you click on that and you get your affiliate link. So you want to click on that and copy that. And over here at short URL, you can paste in that affiliate link and shorten it. You're going to copy that and keep that. Next, you're going to go to TikTok and search for videos that your niche is related to. So you're going to click on a video like this and go over here and copy this link. Head over to TikTok Downloader, paste in that link, download that video. Now back in Pinterest, you create an idea pin, put the video in, make sure to put a description, a title, absolutely your affiliate link. Use ChatGPT to write your description for you. Make sure you have some tags, and that's it. And then you're going to want to come up here and click publish.